Alright, hold still, you little... Gotcha.
So the project we did was a solar powered street light. Currently we have it running off the 12 volt deep cycle battery, which is 75 amp hours. And power, the way it works is we have an array of 9 LEDs that are Cree XM-LU2 LEDs, and they're currently putting out about 4,500 lumens. Yeah, 4,500 lumens. They can easily do more. That's just the way we designed the circuit for the time being. So the way the LED driver works is the power comes in and it goes through a series of resistors, and this MOSFET here acts as a high variable resistor, and this resistor here, when it senses, it's used as a sense resistor. When it senses that there's too much current going through, the power is then switched by the NPN transistor, and it stops the power, stops the excess power from going to the LEDs. And then once it levels back out to the 4.5 amps that we have it rated at, or designed at, it continues giving out 4.5 amps. So it essentially acts as a feedback loop for 4.5 amps.
Hi, I'm gmoir, and this is part of mine and Will's senior design project. This is our 80 watt solar panel, so it's 12 volts, but at Vmax power, we're getting about 17.2 volts out of it, and it also supplies about 4.6 amps of current. Now, we had to build a charge controller, which we're using as a linear voltage regulator, and that is the LM338. So we're using that to take the 17 volts that's coming off of the panel, and that is going to convert the voltage to 14.2 volts at the output. Now, that 14.2 volts is ran to our 12 volt battery, which Will stated earlier, and that is what's going to charge our battery. When you have a 12 volt battery, you have to charge it at 14.2, 14.5 volts in order for the battery to absorb the extra current. Now, if we take a look over here, we started at about 12.7 volts. We're at 12.8. See if it goes up there, you go 12.82. So the system is working and it is charging the battery, otherwise the voltage would not be rising like that. If you go over here to our current, we're getting about 2.3 amps into the battery, and the battery is getting charged more, so the current isn't going to be as high as it was before.